Hey guys, today we're unboxing another Dell Inspiron laptop. It's a Dell Inspiron 3580 15.6 inch Full HD display with i7-8565U processor. Usually it comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of HDD. So we ordered an additional 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of NVMe SSD. It's equipped with AMD Radeon 520 GPU, so it's kind of okay for not very demanding games as well. So let's open it up. First, here is the adapter. Let's see. It's 65 watts adapter. There is also a power cable which I'm not gonna take out right now. So I'm packing, and here is the laptop. I guess there's some more sheets of paper in it, but this is the most important thing. And we ordered this time in red. As you can see, it's quite nice. It's matte red and red on the bottom as well. Even the rubber pads are also red, which is quite a nice touch. We have CD drive, DVD drive actually, USB and SD card reader, and on this side we have HDMI out, the regular pop-up network, and 2 more USBs. And here is the headphones place, and the power. Okay, let's see keyboard. Nice. Again, as the previous one, it's not a plain plastic, but it has some kind of pattern. And let's see if this one will power up. Yes, okay. It's Full HD matte finish display. Here you can see it. And it comes with pre-installed Ubuntu. And again, a big touchpad and a nice full-size keyboard. Radeon graphics, Core i7 8th Gen. As I told you, it's a 8565U, which is quite powerful processor. 60 gigs of RAM, 256 NVMe SSD, and 1 terabyte of regular HDD for storage. You know, you can store your photos, videos there, and whatever else you want, as the SSD is not the best option for this. Okay. The red is quite nice, yes. It's again some kind of pattern. It's not clear red. It's kind of red and black. I'm not sure if my camera will focus right now, but it's nice. Okay guys, I'm not going to bore you anymore, and the Ubuntu just boot it up and it wants to be set up. I'm not gonna do that right now, but it's not needed. And thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye.